Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite and let me show you how to enter the EMUI mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding together power key and volume up. Release power key as soon as HUAWEI logo pops up. Now let me just hold down the volume up key. And let's wait until the EMUI logo pops up on the screen. Excellent, this is the EMUI mode. So this is like the recovery mode in HUAWEI smartphones. Here you may navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here, for example, you can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You may wipe cache partition, or you may also quit this mode by choosing the first option, which is reboot system now. In my case, let me show you how to quit the EMUI mode. So let's press the power key when you have the highlighted reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use the home screen. Excellent, the home screen just pops up, so it means that now your device is in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.